Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you are all fine. I welcome you in the F6 online sport program for week 4. I am Mrs. Samina Fras, going to deliver English literature lecture for grade 6. The objectives for today's lecture are that students will be able to read and understand the text and know about the new vocabulary in chapter 2. Before that, you must recall the important points of chapter number 1, that is its character, setting and end. Chapter number 1, we read about Lieutenant Bell, whose ship, the Adventurer, faced a terrible storm. He and his crew members were able to reach an island. There he met Robinson Crusoe, who was living there on their deserted island for 4 years along with his family, and handed over his diary to Lieutenant Bell to give to his brother. Now here is the text of chapter number 2. Let's see what happens in this chapter. For this purpose, you must take the help of CD, which is attached with your textbook.
The storm that the pastor's family had been caught in was similar to the one that had brought the adventurer to the island. Their ship fought with monstrous waves, but the strong winds blew it further and further off its course. The ship shook and toppled until it finally crashed onto a rock. Nothing could be done to move it from where it was stuck. The crew feared that they would sink.
"Save yourselves!"
cried the captain.
"Quick, get on the lifeboats!"
The boats were filling up quickly.
In this chapter, story about the arrival of Robinson on that deserted island is described. Like the adventurer, his ship also faced a terrible storm. It finally crashed on a rock from where it can't be moved. All other crew members were disappeared in that situation. That is why Captain said to his family, "Save yourselves and get on lifeboats." Robinson, his wife Elizabeth, and his 4 sons were thinking the ways to be safe. The family passed the night there. The next morning, the wind stopped and they saw a piece of land which seemed to be an island. Because all of them were not swimmers, so they thought to build a raft, that is a small boat, by the help of the equipment found in the ship. They also gathered other useful things from the ship, like guns, bullets, hammer, nails, etc. Elizabeth found some of their animals like cow, donkey, sheep, and 2 goats. They also find some birds like rooster, geese, pigeons, and chickens. Then Jack also heard the screaming of their pet dogs, Tug and Ponto. They took the dogs with them, thinking that they would be useful on the island. Then Jack gave the idea to float to the island in the big tubs. So Robinson thought to make a boat by joining the 8 casks together which were on the ship's deck. They float to the island, leaving big animals behind. Hoping to get them in few days' time, Elizabeth also had a magic bag which she put in Fran's barrel. On the way, the dog jumped into the sea and swam all the way to the shore. That is all for today. You must check the meanings of new words like monstrous, yelled, and exhausted, and also learn the names of 4 children along with their age. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz.